This is the Connect TV, and you are watching the IPO Connect specials. In this edition, we look at the IPO of India Pesticides Limited. India Pesticides Limited, which is coming out with an IPO this week, has a very interesting history. Its promoter, Mr. Anand Swarup Agrawal, has started the company with just rupees 10,000 in his pocket.
Since UP was an agriculture state and sugarcane was the main crop, so we came to conclusion that since sugar is a pest-prone crop, so I decided to put up a pesticide factory. You would be surprised. I put up a factory within the courtyard of my house. Oh. And I borrowed 10,000 rupees from my father and started a very small factory. Those days, the pesticide industry was at a very initial stage. So only BSC, BSC dust was the known pesticide. So we started making BSC dust.
And who was your first customer?
My customer was started making, and my customer was ICI. That was a multinational company that time. BSC mein, there is one product. It comes from BSC. Then that is Linden. So I started exporting that extract from our country to other countries. Then I came in contact with companies like Ron Pulang, Inkinosa, Luxon.
India is an agriculture economy, and with the Prime Minister promising the farmers that their income will be doubled in 5 years, and the government putting a lot of focus on agriculture, any industry connected with agriculture is bound to do well. It is in this context that we should view the IPO of India Pesticides Limited.
Pesticide की demand तो बहुत बढ़ती जा रही है. Generally, people were more concentrating on China some time back, but now they have started China plus one policy. So now they are diverting from China to India now. So earlier pesticide means what I gather, I can't give you the exact number, it was China only. Pesticide technical means China. 95-98% pesticide was sourced from China. But now the things have changed and people have started shifting from China to India. And now they want one substitute. And because India has got technology, competent people, environment. So as far as price is now concerned, we were earlier costlier than China, but after this pollution concerns, now we are very competitive with China, and sometimes we are 2-3-5% cheaper than China.
We have a company CFO, Satyaprakash Gupta, explaining some of the unique features of the company.
Yeah. We are actually manufacturing product using innovative technology. So we produce the product at a very lower cost.
Okay.
And we are concentrating on niche molecule.
Okay.
And we have got a long-term agreement with our buyers, big buyer, MNC. But
as we speak, we have several broking houses coming out with analysis of the IPO of India Pesticides Limited. For instance, ICICI Securities says subscribe. Reliance Securities says India Pesticides has a healthy growth prospects with reasonable valuations, hence do subscribe. And Arihant Capital says subscribe with a long-term view. The IPO of India Pesticides Limited opens on June 23rd and closes on the 25th. The price band that is fixed is at rupees 290 to 296 per equity share of the face value of 1 rupee each, and the minimum bid lot is 50 equity shares and multiples of 50 thereafter. We also advise the investors to go through the red herring prospectus of India Pesticides Limited available on the SEBI website as well as the websites of the merchant bankers, JM Financial Limited and the Axis Capital Limited.